Okay guys, welcome back to the channel Real Life Exotic, and today we're gonna put it together McLaren 2016 LP570S. Like previous video, you can see we bought the car, just insurance company take apart, and we're gonna put it together because nothing wrong. To be honest, nothing wrong, like couple dents, like couple something, I mean nothing serious. We're gonna put it together and we're gonna call the guy who take care of the dent removal, and they're gonna take care of the dent, and I'm gonna adjust the door right now because they when they take it out the door they put it back not right, so I have to adjust the gaps. I'm gonna put it together whole front. It's no damage, you can see, not even small damage, everything clean on the car. So, and all parts I have already. I mean, enjoy to see my job. I just installed the quarter panel, door, fender. I just adjust the lines like all gap. I'm gonna install the bumper right now, and after bumper I'm gonna put in the headlights and fender liners and all this stuff, small stuff. So, and car's supposed to be ready today. Car is gonna be ready today, for sure. Okay guys, I just installed the bumper, almost installed, like I have to tidy up some small pieces, fender liners. Right now I'm gonna install the headlights both, and the trunk box under gravel panel, and car pretty much done. I'm gonna test this car today for sure.
Looks a lot.
Freaking A, man.
Looks.
I love it.
It looks so good.
But look at this. This is salvage car, right? I only put in whole day together. So salvage car for half price, and you drive in, nobody asking your title, and it's called plain salvage because only small couple damage, you know, couple dent. It's not even no fender damage. All parts original. You don't have to replace not even one part. So all bolts and screws in the back in a zip tight, you know. So, but thanks for watching us. Okay guys, I just finished the car completely. McLaren 570 I put in this piece I just put in together a whole car together. Whole side is messed up. They take it off the door. I make a gaps, putting back everything together, clean up interior. Car is completely done for one day. Just can you imagine? One day car is done. Salvage title, one day. Everything works, nothing wrong. Our insurance company made this car salvage because of this damage, of this, one of this, like a little bit, not that bad, you know, like something. It's white car and it's hard to see, but couple dents over here, just couple dents over here. What else? Mirror okay. Front fender a little bit. You can see from here there's just small damage over here. Everything works fine. Let me open the trunk. Yeah, the trunk, everything like supposed to be. Everything I put in back together. All screws, all bolts, you know.